Student, Assalamu alaikum. As a Muslim student, my goal is to balance gaining knowledge and living according to Islamic principles. Today, technology plays a huge role in education, and one tool I find helpful is ChatGPT. Right now, in my studies, I use ChatGPT to understand difficult topics, whether it's math, science, or history. I can ask ChatGPT to explain complex concepts in simpler terms. This helps me improve my understanding and excel in my studies. Enhance my Islamic studies, I can ask questions about Islamic history, fiqh, jurisprudence, or even hadith. But I make sure to double-check any religious information with trusted scholars or authentic sources like the Quran and Sunnah, as ChatGPT is not a religious authority. Practice time management. ChatGPT helps me organize my schedule, set reminders for prayers, and balance my schoolwork with my Islamic obligations. However, while using it, I always remember that as Muslims, we are guided by ethics and values. I must be responsible and ensure that I use this tool in ways that are beneficial and halal, permissible. Verse from Quran, and say, My Lord, increase me in knowledge. Surah Taha, 20:114. This verse reminds me that knowledge is a lifelong journey, and I should seek it while staying within the limits set by Allah, SWT. The student is now imagining their future in different fields: education, career, and life. As I look towards the future, I see many ways in which I can continue to use ChatGPT in my life. Here are some ideas. In higher education, when I move on to university, I plan to use ChatGPT to assist with research, brainstorming ideas, and improving my writing skills. I'll also use it to help understand more advanced topics, especially in fields like technology and engineering, while always upholding academic integrity. In my professional life, whether I become an engineer, doctor, teacher, or entrepreneur, I can use ChatGPT to generate innovative solutions to problems, streamline my work, and continue learning new skills. Technology evolves, and I'll need to keep up, but my faith will always remind me to use these tools ethically. In personal and spiritual growth, even in the future, I see ChatGPT being a part of my personal life. I can use it for reminders about Islamic obligations, to reflect on Islamic teachings, or to explore ways to improve my character according to the Sunnah. But of course, personal reflection, dhikr, remembrance of Allah, and traditional learning will always remain at the heart of my spiritual journey. Hadith. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, The best among you are those who learn the Quran and teach it. Sahih al-Bukhari. Technology can help us access and share Islamic knowledge, but it's essential to stay grounded in authentic learning methods and pass it on to others. Ethical considerations and responsibility. Student, one of the biggest lessons I've learned as a Muslim is the importance of using knowledge responsibly. With ChatGPT, I always remind myself of a few key points: avoid misuse, I won't use AI against Islamic teachings. Respect privacy, Islam teaches us to protect others' privacy and dignity. When using technology, I will be mindful not to violate these principles by misusing others' information. Stay grounded in faith. While technology offers great convenience, I always rely on Allah, SWT, as my ultimate guide. Prayer, seeking advice from scholars, and connecting with the Muslim community will keep me balanced. Conclusion. Student, inshallah, with the right intentions and a sense of responsibility, I can use ChatGPT and other technologies to help me in both my educational journey and my life as a practicing Muslim. By balancing modern tools with my faith, I aim to achieve success in both this world and the hereafter. Jazakumullahu khairan for listening. May Allah guide us all in our pursuit of knowledge and help us use it in ways that benefit ourselves, our community, and our ummah. Ameen.